Hi, this is Shantan from Tech Solutions, and today I have a tutorial video that how to make water level indicator. So nowadays everybody has a overhead tank, and we are not aware of when the tank just filled up and the water just overflows, and our electricity and water are just wasting without any cost. I'm going to just show you how to make this water level indicator. So the things you need are 3 into 3 uh, 330 ohm resistor like this. 330 ohm resistors. This is the first one. The second one is 3 BC547 transistor like this. And also we need normal LEDs, like this is a green LED, and also we need a white LED, and also we need a red LED for our test, and also we need some wires to connect the circuit, and obviously we need a breadboard to make the circuit, and this is a buzzer for a normal 9-volt buzzer. This is a 9-volt battery clip, and this is a 9-volt battery for the power of our device. So let me show you how to build this. We have to first insert this BC547 transistor on the breadboard like this, and the left one is the collector, the middle one is the base, and the last one is the emitter. So it's a CBE configuration. So next we have to insert another one into the breadboard like this, and also we insert a third one into the breadboard. See, just like this. And then we have to connect the resistors from the C terminal to the negative red of the breadboard. Again, we have to do for the other ones also, like this. Again, we have to do for the last one. Do remember that we have to put the resistor to the C point, actually the collector point. Hope my camera focus. Okay, and we have now inserted all the components to the breadboard. Now we have to insert the LEDs. This is the green LED, where I have to put the long wire, which is the anode, to the emitter of the transistor, and the cathode to the negative red of the breadboard. For that we will use some small wires just like this, and we will continue the same as the other ones. And next we have to put the white LED, the second transistor. Now we have to insert the third one, which is the red one, the third transistor. As you can see, this is how it looks. Now we have to insert the buzzer For that, we will insert this red or the positive one of the buzzer to the base of the third transistor, which is the middle pin. We have to do this very carefully. Okay, and the negative wire to the negative red of the breadboard. Just a second. Just like this. Next, we have to attach this battery clip to the 9-volt battery, and then we need some long wires. The longest wire we have to connect through to the uh, positive red of the breadboard, and the other point will be empty as of now. Then the second longest wire, uh, okay, I think this is the longest, sorry for that. And the second longest wire we have to connect to the base of the first transistor. This is buzzer is getting some trouble. And the third longest wire we have to connect to the base of the second transistor. And then the last one we have to connect it to the third transistor base. Now we insert the 9-volt battery or the supply to in the breadboard. Positive red in the positive terminal and the negative red at the negative terminal. Now I'm going to show you how this works as a circuit board for our household system. So I'm using a bowl instead of a water tank because I don't have water tank. So I have connected the longest wire, which is connected to the positive red of the breadboard to the bottom of the tank or say the bowl, and the second longest wire which is just coming from the base of the first transistor is connected to 25% of the level of the tank. Then the second transistor's base wire is connected to the 50% of the tank level, and the last transistor's base is connected with the 90-95% of the tank level. So I just pour water into the bowl to test it out. Let's pour it, and these are the LEDs. So as you can see, the green LED lights up as I poured water in the bowl, as it feels at least 10%. Now I pour more water in the tank. As you can see, the second LED lights up as I poured more water into the bowl. So what happens? I pour more water into the bowl. Let's see. So as you can see, the red LED lights up. That means if that means your tank is filled now, now you can just switch off your switchboard, the motor of your tank, just switch it off, so the tank, the water will not be wasted, and also um, the water will save, and also the electricity will save. So it's a very helpful project for everyone who are using water tank in their houses. Thank you very much.